Hello everyone! Dahil sinisipag ako mag-edit ng video, here's a recent project that I've made. It was a navy blue, gold, and white cake topped with edible magnolia flowers. It is my first time to make this flower and also to try a different medium. I usually make edible flowers out of fondant kasi. Pero dahil rainy season na, medyo mahirap mag-dry ng fondant. Nakakatakot na baka pumalpak. Hence, decided to try the MaCo Paste of Chef Kevin of Mark Kevin Style. I will post the link below for the recipe. You may check out his YouTube channel din kasi sobrang daming matututunan sa kanya, lalo na if you're into edible flowers. Thank you, Chef Kevin, for the easy and free tutorial.